In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect bank and credit card accounts to Zoho Books. To get started, sign into your Zoho Books account and look over to the left-hand sidebar. From there, click Banking. This is where you manage your connected financial accounts. Review imported transactions and keep your records up to date. If you are connecting an account for the first time, this is the main area you will be working in. Once you are on the banking page, go to the top right corner and click Add Bank or Credit Card. This will open the setup flow for linking a financial account. Zoho Books supports a variety of bank feed connections, and this process is designed to help bring in transactions automatically, which can save a lot of time compared to entering them manually. Next, you will be asked to select a bank feed provider. Choose the available service provider shown on the screen, then review and accept the terms if prompted. After that, click Proceed to move forward. This step is important because the provider acts as the secure connection between your financial institution and Zoho Books. After that, use the search field to find your bank or credit card company. Type in the name of your institution and select the correct result from the list. You will then be prompted to sign in using your online banking credentials. Make sure you enter your details carefully, and if your bank requires extra verification, complete the two-factor authentication step as well. This added security layer helps protect access to your financial information. Once authentication is complete, Zoho Books will display the accounts available under that login. You can then select the exact accounts you want to connect by checking the boxes next to them. This may include checking accounts, savings accounts, or credit card accounts depending on what your bank makes available. Be sure to choose only the accounts you want imported into Zoho Books so your records stay organized. The next step is to set the fetch date. This tells Zoho Books how far back it should pull your transaction history. You can usually import up to the last 90 days, so choose the date that best fits your bookkeeping needs. Then click Continue. If you are connecting an account for the first time, selecting the right date can help you avoid missing recent transactions or bringing in more history than necessary. If your bank isn't supported for automatic feeds, you still have another option. On the same page, you can add the account manually and then use the import statement feature to upload a CSV or OFX file downloaded directly from your bank. This is a helpful alternative if automatic syncing isn't available. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.